today's world, talent are not alone enough. Millions of people are hardworking, skilled, and talented, yet many of them are left behind. The reason is not a lack of ability, the reason is a lack of effective communication in English. If you want to speak English in 2026, this video is especially for you. Without any delay, let's get started our video. First, let me tell you why English is important. In generation, why English is important. Okay, so there are many reasons to learn to speak in English in generation. First, English is global language, and second, English open global opportunities, and third, English builds confidence, and fourth, English is not accent or perfection. So let me explain one by one reason with full explanation that you can understand efficiently, so that you could inspire to learn English language, so that you could get best opportunity in this generation, because in today's world, talent are not alone enough. Millions of people are hardworking, skilled, and talented, yet many of them are left behind. The reason is not a lack of ability, the reason is a lack of effective communication in English. Okay, so that is why English is important in this world, in this generation. Okay, and English is a global language. English is not just a language who taught in our school. English is a global language that connect with other people and across the country for profession. Okay, that is why English is important in this world. When you can speak in English, you can share your opinions with other people, you can share your thoughts with other people and participate in global conversation. That is why English is important. The second reason is, what is role of English in our career growth. Okay, so let me explain you. In the professional field, English play a crucial role, whether it is a job interview and business meeting, whether it is a workplace communication where all English is a requirement. Okay, so yes, that is why English is important in this world. Suppose that four candidates have same skill and same degree, but who can express their thoughts very clearly in English? So usually there are more chances to get many opportunity for such people who can speak in English, who can express their thoughts very clearly in English. That is why English is important in this world. Okay, and main thing that is, you have to remember always that English is a global language. The third reason is, English build confidence. Okay, but how English build confidence? So listen carefully. When you speak in English, then you feel yourself, I am confident. When you can speak in English in front of many people, when you can express your thought very clearly, very smoothly, then you can feel confident in front of many people also. And think about yourself, what any people speak in English in front of you can't give answer. So how you feel at that time? So at that time you don't feel confident at all, you feel nervous, you feel shy, you feel hesitate. Okay, but when you can speak in English in front of any people, then you feel hesitate less and then you feel confident. Okay, that is why English is important in this world. Confidence in communication change how people perceive you and how you perceive yourself. All right, that is why English is important in this world. I hope you can understand very easily. And the next reason is, English opens global opportunities. Okay, like social media, like internet communication, like international networking and freelancing, remote job. So we all can say that these all opportunities are available only in English. It's only then possible, it's only you can get, only then you can speak in English efficiently and confidently. Okay, so that is why English is important in this world. Okay, one thing guys, listen carefully. If you are learning English language, so it is not a language. If you are learning English language, that means you are unlocking access to global knowledge and growth. Okay, so understand smoothly and learn English language from today, and don't wait the perfect time, because in generation English is important, which is I'm telling you right now that why English is important, why learning English is important in this era. Okay. One thing definitely I would like to tell you that this is not accent or perfection. One common misconception that English is perfection or accent. Not at all. English is not about accent or flawless and grammar. Okay, it's just about confidence and clarity. Whatever you know, if you can present with confidently in English, that is English, and English is not accent. Okay, English is not like foreign accent and American accent, not at all. English just a language you can speak in our Indian accent. Okay, with simple English we can say. So please don't make any misconception. Whatever you know, you can tell in our Indian accent. So now you can also say that is why English is important in this world. Listen carefully guys. One thing I'm going to tell you which is very important. Okay, accent and grammar not matter. Okay, even simple English when spoken clearly is more powerful more than perfect spoken English with fear. Okay, so yes, don't fear, just whatever you know, speak with clarity and confidently. So this is main thing, that is why English is important in this world. And the final reason that why English is important, so the real value of English. Okay, so yes, let me tell you, English doesn't change who you are, and English don't reduce your identity and culture. Instead, it adds value to your personality by giving you to ability to express your thought with smoothly. That is why English is important in this world. English is important because it is your empower. It is boost your confidence. It is creates opportunity to beyond borders. That is why English is important. So my dear friends, just at the end of the video, just I would say that you learn English language step by step, and don't learn English overnight. Just learn step by step, and don't take any pressure on your head. Just gradually learn all things. Practice daily and stay consistent. And English is not luxury. English is a life skills. So yes, learn English language gradually, definitely one day you can become fluent in English. One day definitely you will be able to present your thoughts in English, completely in English. Okay, my friends, all the best in upcoming 2026. You have to start your journey and you have to become fluent in English. I'm not telling only for English. What skills you wanna develop, you can develop. And at the end of the video, just I would say that if you didn't subscribe this channel yet, so please do subscribe this channel and press the like button. And if you do subscribe, then get me motivation to make more videos. So please do subscribe this channel and stay connected with me and keep learning English language. And if you have any suggestion for me, then you can suggest me by comment below this video. Definitely I'll try my level best. So yes, we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Have a nice day. Bye.